Peaches, what is up? Today I wanted to do a look using my Fade into Hue palette. I want to do a cute little pink look. I've been so about pink lately. I don't know why. It's unlike me. I just am into it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see, I don't have anything on my face, so I'm just gonna run through really quickly. So I probably won't go through doing like my foundation and my eyebrows and everything because that's obviously not the main point of this video, but like I said, I'm just doing a little bit of prep. So I'm using the Edwin Barrow primer. I'm so excited to use this palette. I want to basically do a look like for every color of the rainbow. I'm so into color right now, which again is unlike me. I hope you guys like my little ridiculous bun up here. I just needed something to get my hair out of the way. So I think I'm actually going to go ahead and do my eyebrows first. I like for that to be the first thing done on my face. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and then I will be right back. Okay, I took a little break after I finished my eyebrows to eat some lunch. So now back to it. So here's what I'm thinking. I think what I'm gonna do is do like pink, one of these pinks on the outer corner, not corner, just like on the perimeter. I don't know what word I'm trying to think. Then like a deep purple in the crease, and then I don't know for my lid what I want to do. But I'm thinking, let's see. So I'm gonna start with Lovecraft, which is this color right here, just for kind of like a nice intro to this pink, hopefully nothing too dark. So I'm just gonna do that on the outskirts here. I did prime my eyes, but I think I need, I don't know, some sort of concealer over my primer too, because my eyes are so, like I have dark circles in my corners so bad. I think it would just look a lot better if I had a completely blank canvas to start on. I love that color. It applied so good. I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little. Do you want to be zoomed in? I wish you could answer me live. I'm gonna bring you guys in just a touch because if I mess with my brightness right now, it's gonna totally throw everything off. But I think I want you just a little bit closer. Okay, that's a little bit better. So I really like that just as like a little base foundation laid for the pink. Now I think I'm going to go in with, I wish there was one more dark pink that wasn't glittery because all these other ones are like glittery. But let's use, so I think I'm gonna go on with Paradise, which is like the darkest pink color. This might not turn out good, but I'm thinking if I use the darkest purple and the darkest pink, it might be okay. I don't know. Okay, I actually think that looks pretty good. I have one little hair I can't get off. Ugh. Okay, here's a question. Which eye do you feel like when you're doing your makeup is like always jacked up a little bit? For some reason, I feel like since I'm right-handed, this eye should be like good to go, always perfect, but for some reason it just never is. I feel like I always do better on this eye. I also swear one of my eyes is so much like smaller than the other one or something. I have so much less space on this eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this darkest purple here. I think you say it, I don't know how you say it. It's like Zeitgeist? I don't know how you say it. I'm gonna first take this itty bitty tiny brush to just kind of get right in my crease. I'm not worried about my eyelid because I'm gonna clean that up with concealer anyways, but I wanna make sure I get right in the crease. Now I'm gonna try to blend that out a little. I feel like I never take my first color up far enough, I guess, because now I'm thinking like all my pink's gone. I think I might use this first color. It's so bright you can like hardly see it on camera. It's called Fantasyland. It's just a really cute shimmery pink color. Ooh, I really like that one though. Allier? That one's really pretty too. Maybe I'll do that one. Because Fantasyland is a little light. Maybe I can do that one in the middle. Okay, I've just sat here and looked at it. So I think I'm gonna actually try to use Atler this little color here, and then use Fantasyland in the middle. I might go back and do some purple. I don't know, it's probably not gonna go over well. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna try to put this in here. This might wreck it, we don't know. Okay, so this is Fantasyland right in the middle. Really, really light. And now I think I'm gonna go in on the outer corner with a little bit more of this purple. Okay, now we're gonna see if I can do the same thing on my other eye. Okay, had a little bit of fallout there, but I think we got it. I just added a little bit more purple to the outer corners. I think that looks a lot better. I love how like literally neon that one color is. I think that's so unique and pretty. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of wings liner. We're gonna put some false eyelashes on, which I'll do my liner and then I'll show you guys the one that I'm thinking of using eyelashes for today. Did anybody else do this just for moral support? You're not pulling on anything, you just literally put your finger there, just me. Let me be your inspiration today. Sometimes in the middle of a look, I'm like, this looks like trash. But then once I have eyeliner on, I love it so much more. Just try to finish out a look before you judge it. For my lashes, I think I'm gonna use these from Kiss. This is an Heiress. I think they're super dramatic and they'll look really good with this. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara, put those lashes on, do my whole face, and then come right back for you guys. Okay, I changed the lashes up at the last minute. I felt like the Heiress ones were gonna be a little like block what I just did on my eyes. So I just used this little kit here from Ardell. This is the Naked Lashes kit. It comes with like 4, I think. And I just used 420 and my regular, obvious eyelashes and just some mascara, and I think that that was the way to go. So I finished up the rest of my face. Now I'm going to line under my eye, I think. And I want to use, I'm going to do a whole swatch video on these, but I think I'm going to use this darkest color, one of these here. But because my eyes are so purpley, I think I'm going to use this last one. This is in the color Charmer. I think that looks so cute. Got a little low on this one. I poked myself directly in the cornea. I'm going to do just a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. Now to highlight, I'm going to use the Blacklight Highlight Palette from BH Cosmetics. I love these. And I think I'm going to use Illusion down here. Don't mind how dirty this is, which is like a super pink highlight color. And then I think I'm going to use Strobe, which is just a white highlighter in this palette for right underneath my brow bone. I think I'm going to go ahead and use that for my inner corner too. So the last thing I have to do is lips. I have no idea what I want to do with my lips. I might just leave them semi-natural, so let's see. I have my whole big ColourPop. This is an entire ColourPop video basically. This is a lippie stick collection. I did a swatch video on these as well. I feel like I could go all out and use Dial Up, which is like our super over the top. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? I split my lip open earlier when I was casually eating my sandwich and it's literally bleeding now, so... Oh my gosh, that was traumatic. My lip literally started bleeding and I couldn't get it to stop. Why does that happen? Here's what happened. My lips haven't been extremely dry feeling or anything today, and normally I have super chapped lips. They've been fine today. I opened my mouth to take a bite of food earlier and I felt my lip like snap. Why does that happen? Okay guys, that is everything for this tutorial. I'm super aware of my lip right now. I hope that you liked it. I feel like this is kind of like an 80s Barbie, like galaxy kind of look. I really, really like it. I love the purple, even though it's mostly purple and I thought it was gonna be mostly pink. I think it's super, super cute. So that's gonna be it. Like I said, I want to go through this whole palette and basically do every color of the rainbow, but if you guys have a specific request, please leave it down below. I'm gonna do a swatch video of the gel liners. I already have the swatch video of the lip liners up, so you guys are literally getting all the ColourPop content. I'm gonna get going and tint to my lip. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.